can add some tiles to the screen here. This again talks to the way in which we can interact, so we can move those across the screen. They bump into each other. Nothing necessarily particularly great about that particular thing, but I can also put objects on the screen here, and I can move those against those objects which I've then placed on the screen. And just so you know, there's no smoke and mirrors and funny black magic going on. I can also put my hand on the screen there and it will bump into my hand in exactly the same way. So again, really intuitive in terms of how Surface is interacting with the end user. So last thing which I'll show before we wrap up is a slight divergence from where we've been. So here we are, going to go across to the US now, talk about a little bit of US political history. I'll choose to be democratic. This is highlights from the US presidential conventions, so I've got a nice representation of the US. I've got this little controller here, which allows me to actually scroll through and move through time and see who's been successful, who hasn't been successful. And in terms of the orientation the Surface provides me, again, if I choose St. Louis, then it'll present that data in the orientation that I stand at the screen. And if this lady here opens the Chicago, Illinois piece, then it'll open the orientation there as well. So that was the last thing that I wanted to show you. As I said, if you've got any more interest, then go along to the RM stand, grab one of the avatars from the lady at the exit here. If you've got any questions, ask the people in the blue rugby shirts. They'd be very, very happy to answer questions.